Now, has 2022 been the year that you all hoped it to be in January? The likelihood is, the chances are, no, we haven't been able to do as much as we wanted to do when January came in. And you know what? That's okay. Like, honestly speaking, it's okay if the first 6 months haven't been great. But you know why I'm making this video? You know why this video is so important? Because it's holding you guys accountable and telling yourselves, it's okay. The last 6 months weren't great, but let's start today. Now, today's Sunday, with Monday coming up tomorrow, we're already in June, and therefore we've got another 6 months of the year left. We could now continue going the way we are going, or make a change from today. Start sleeping early, start waking up early, start being as productive as you can, and start having the year that you want to have. Because let's be honest, if we do not make change, then our lives, our situations are not going to get better. Now, a lot of you guys that watch me want to start your own company, still want to start your own business, you want to excel, move forward. And by the way, this doesn't necessarily have to only be in the dunya, it could also be in the deen. Have you been doing what you told yourself in January you were going to do? I mean, look, Ramadan has just finished. Have you been continuing on what you were meant to be doing? If the answer is no, then this is my message to you. Start from tomorrow. In fact, start from tonight. Because you know what? A lot of people think that your day starts in the morning. Reality is, your day doesn't start in the morning. Your day starts in the night. If you go to sleep at 2 a.m., the likelihood is you're probably not going to have a good next day. And so your day is not starting in the morning. Don't tell yourself the day starts in the morning. The day starts in the night. And that's why sleeping tonight early after Isha is very important. What do you need to start doing to have more productive and better days? Honestly, start writing down everything you want to do in the day and focus on it. Like, imagine I have an iPad where I write down things I need to do and I do those things in my iPad. Like, by the way, inshallah, next week I'm going to get out a video of how I manage my time, a day in the life, but how I do everything in essence. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, by the way, if you guys are new and you haven't done that already. We're nearly at 10K, by the way, which is crazy because I didn't ever think I would get to a level where I had 10,000 people subscribe to the YouTube channel. So I actually want to take this moment to say, Barakallah Feek, I really appreciate you guys. And inshallah, we can continue to help each other and I can continue making better videos. I've got some big things planned, but I do just want to say that it's completely fine if you have not had a good 6 months. But the point is, like, it's me holding you accountable, and sometimes you need this. Sometimes when I was 21, 22, I didn't have someone who was saying to me, listen guys, have you done that business? Have you made that call that you were going to do? Have you started something you were going to start? Have you even started to work out what you want to do in the upcoming years? A lot of people haven't, you know, but this is me saying to you, you need to have a plan. If you don't have a plan, in 4 or 5 years, you will be in the same situation you're in right now. Cost of living is going crazy, and unless you make a change, nothing is going to change. So my brothers and sisters, I'm not going to make this long. I'm actually just going to say, hold yourself accountable. Let me hold you accountable. But the point is, make change from today. Sleep early tonight. Monday morning, start working hard, make time in the evenings, make time in the weekends, spend time with your family, your friends, and spend time seeking ilm. It is not just to say that we should now only have money and only try and get rich and wealthy. No, as Muslims, we try to have wealth for our families and friends, but we also seek the knowledge for the sake of ourselves, our family, and to be able to hold tight to our religion. So Barakallah Feek, I appreciate you all. Like this video if you haven't already. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.